Hello student, today we are going to study about clothes packing in 3 dimensions. We know that there are two types of two-dimensional structures, that are square clothes packing and hexagonal clothes packing. First, we study about 3-dimension clothes packing by using 2-dimensional square clothes packing. In this type, two-dimensional square clothes packing layers are arranged one above the another in such a way that sphere of second row are exactly above the sphere of first row. All other rows are also arranged in such a way that spheres of above layers are exactly above the sphere of below layer, so that there is a vertical as well as horizontal alignment, and all layers are similarly arranged. If first layer is denoted by A, then all other layers are also denoted by A. This type is also called AAA type. If we observe carefully that structure, then we see that structure is simple cubic structure and the type of unit cell is primitive cubic unit cell. In this structure, it is observed that one sphere touches to another 6 sphere, where 4 spheres are in same layer, one sphere in above layer and one sphere in below layer, so that coordination number in that primitive cubic unit cell is 6. Now we study 3-dimensional clothes packing by using 2-dimensional hexagonal clothes pack structure. See here the 2-dimensional hexagonal clothes pack layer. There are triangular voids, that means empty spaces which are triangular in shape. Now second layer of hexagonal 2-dimensional clothes pack is arranged above that first layer in such a way that sphere of second layer is in depression of the first layer, so that arrangement of first layer and second layer is different. If first layer is denoted by A, then second layer is denoted by B. It is also observed that all triangular voids of first layer are not covered by the sphere of second layer, and it gives rise to two types of voids. They are named as tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. See that hexagonal close pack 2-dimensional structure, and there are triangular voids if that void are named as B type of void. Now second layer of hexagonal clothes in 2-dimensional is placed above that first layer in such a way that sphere of second layer are above the voids of first layer. Then it is observed that another new type of void is formed, which is known as C type. That means C type of void remains unoccupied. Here arrangement of two layers are different. If first layer is A, then second layer is B. Therefore this type is ABEB type, and it gives rise to two types of voids, that are octahedral voids and tetrahedral voids, denoted respectively by O and T in that structure. Generally, when sphere is above void, then it gives tetrahedral type of void, and when there is void above void, then it gives octahedral void. I am repeating that statement again. Sphere of second layer when arranged above the void of first layer, then it gives tetrahedral void, and void is arranged above void, then it gives new type of void which is called octahedral void. Number of that octahedral and tetrahedral voids are easily calculated if we know the number of close pack particles. Consider there are 10 close pack particles, then the number of octahedral voids are 10, but the number of tetrahedral voids are double, that means 20. Suppose if there are n the number of close pack particles, then number of octahedral voids are equal to n, but the number of tetrahedral voids are equal to twice n. That means number of octahedral voids is equal to number of close pack particles. Tetrahedral voids are double than number of close pack particles. Now we discuss next point, placing of third layer above second layer. We know that when second layer is placed above the first layer, it gives rise to two types of voids, that are tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. Therefore, third layer is placed on second layer by two different ways, that is by covering tetrahedral voids and by covering octahedral voids. Here first we discuss about by covering tetrahedral voids. In this type, third layer of two-dimensional hexagonal close packing is arranged above the second layer in such a way that sphere of third layer covers the tetrahedral voids. Then here it is observed that the sphere of third layer when placed over the void of second layer, then arrangement of third layer is exactly equal to the arrangement of first layer. When first layer is A, then third layer is also A, and the arrangement of second layer is different from that, so it is represented as B. And this pattern is called ABAB pattern, and it gives rise to hexagonal close packed crystal structure. Here observe that arrangement of type ABAB pattern, and it gives rise hexagonal close packed structure. See this structure. This is hexagonal close packed structure. Now here observe that one sphere touches to 12 another sphere, in which 6 spheres are from same layer, 3 spheres from below layer and 3 spheres from upper layer. So one particle touches to another 12 particles, so that coordination number in hexagonal close packing is 12. Now we discuss the second point of placing third layer by covering octahedral voids. In this type, third layer is arranged above the second layer in such a way that sphere of third layer covers the octahedral voids. At that time, it is observed that first, second and third layer are not aligned. That means arrangement of all three layers are different. If first layer is denoted by A, then second layer is denoted by B and third layer by C. Now if fourth layer is placed above the third layer in such a way that sphere of fourth layer covers the octahedral voids of third layer, then it is observed that arrangement of fourth layer is similar to the arrangement of first layer, so that fourth layer is also denoted by A, similar to the first layer. This pattern is repeated and which gives to ABC pattern, and which gives cubic close packed structure. Now see here, by ABC pattern, the type of unit cell formed is face-centered cubic unit cell. In face-centered cubic unit cell, coordination number is 12 as observed here. One sphere is touches to 6 another sphere in the same layer. 3 spheres from bottom layer and 3 spheres from upper layer. So the coordination number of face-centered cubic unit cell is also 12.